Hello, today I'd like to show you our Lilly 2000 model. This is handmade in our workshops and sold directly to the end user, therefore making a saving compared to other similar models on the market. This bed is part of our Pocket Spring Encapsulated range. This 12-inch deep softer feel mattress has 2,000 of our unique curvation individual pocket springs that work independently from each other. This mattress gives support and contours to your body's shape, as well as allowing for hips and shoulders to gently sink into the mattress. This system will also eliminate any roll together if one person is heavier than the other. We then encapsulate the spring unit, creating our firm edge support system. This in turn increases the sleeping area of the mattress and makes for a firmer mattress side. On top of the spring unit, soft layers of hypoallergenic cool memory foam fillings are hand layered to give a deep, supported, comfortable night's sleep. The quilted mattress surface is our exclusive 100% natural cool viscose fabric. This provides a soft and breathable surface and ensures a fresh and hygienic night's sleep. It's exceptionally absorbent, removing moisture to ensure you stay dry whilst you sleep, therefore keeping your body at a constant temperature. Mattress borders are stitched to give strength to the edge of the mattress and are fitted with flag-stitched rotating handles and air vents, keeping the mattress interior clean and fresh. The perfect solution for a cool, dry sleep.